That 2 second moment
changed our lives. It's the Sony team versus the political parties deciding who's gonna sue first. For your hopes, do it for your dreams, do it for the culture, we do it for the circle.
So aim big for your own good, chase your dreams and never give up. Culture Circle, we in this.
wow it is not planned guys
So-
at all
I have a question. Agar if Namita would have removed the royalty, would you have gone with her offer?
so tough question
The contention is something else entirely.
it's something else
So Find Your Kicks, right? They operate in the same industry, slightly different business model, but from a customer standpoint, it's a competitor, you can say, right? Ki wo selling hai, I'm selling a type. We look at them as partners, honestly. We love the founders, like cool, chill guys, whatever. And we were very confused as to because it was like she is invested in a competitor, right? And because she's invested in a competitor, it is a conflict of interest. Sanjana, conflict of interest is when you.
oh god
But if it's a
I
conflict
think
of interest, isn't it something she has to, like, it's her concern?
that's what we were thinking
Yeah,
But
but
we didn't want, like, we make a deal with Namita and later because
goes
of
out
conflict of
with
interest.
I was also thinking कि Namita would say कि I have already invested in a similar business, so I would.
She did mention, but
Alright, they've cut all of that part out.
No.
Like exactly, Find Your Kicks, like no, is slightly different, but sort of
industry is the
similar industry from a customer standpoint, yes, right? And so they asked Namita, they asked us how is Find Your Kicks doing. We answered whatever, and they've cut all of that part out. So it was well established that we're in the same sort of space.
she even said I've invested in a similar business before.
Correct. It was fun. No, she really supported us. Like coming back to the point.
Plus, she had the best valuation. I mean, if
No.
she actually had given up royalty and she was not an investor in a direct competitor, I think would have gotten her.
Correct.
Best valuation, yeah. You have to optimize your valuation also sometimes.
But-
over investors.
Did you guys know कि कौन 5 लोग panel में
Yes.
होंगे?
Yeah.
They tell you that on day 1. So day 5 is the shoot. Day 1 they tell you because even the rehearsal, like a pitch had, Aman, आपने कभी अपने जूतों के लिए 159% वो पे किया है. All of them dramatized by like the Shark Tank team. But so we had to know where everyone's sitting to do that.
My question is, if you have seen the famous image which we have posted, right? When the sharks are giving us the checks. Nation ही है. I think the nation definitely wants to know.
Yeah.
वो कहाँ देख रहा था?
He was still.
Bro, I got DMs for this question. I literally got DMs. Why are you not looking at the camera? And so you are looking at the camera. Ritesh is looking at the camera. Kunal is looking at the camera. I'm looking at.
So, अच्छा, who was it? Namita, Vinita, Aman.
No. I'll tell you. So they. It wasn't Aman.
You don't look back and down, bro.
So yeah, no. It wasn't Aman because like he's a guy.
Oh, so wait. So we have established.
No, but
On that day.
on a shoot day. No, they're beautiful otherwise too. But on a shoot they were looking very beautiful.
I think Namita was for
You know, which is why, yeah, I've realized that wherever there's like beautiful women in front of me, you tend to pitch better. It just happens.
And you also tend to look only their way when the pictures are being clicked.
So when we were getting photos clicked, there was 8,000 crore in one frame. Are you looking at a girl?
Yeah.
See, यही होता है.
Men. Vinita and Namita were actually coming off the stage to shake our hands. So they cut that part out, but like after the pitch, like all of these sharks shook our hands except
They just
Aman.
congratulated us.
Except Aman, which doesn't happen that much. Like all of them coming, like we just want to meet you, shake your hands because you're doing a great job.
Coming to the infamous Air Ho Jayenge moment.
Okay.
Tell us more about that. Because first you guys
The
went.
nation wants
Yeah.
to know.
Everyone wants to know.
That thing, that moment, that 2 second moment
Changed our lives.
changed the full pitch because that thing can never be recreated.
Yeah.
It was. I love it.
It's
तो
just
मैं ना
the
एक
magic.
रूल बताता हूँ. रूल क्या होता है शार्क टैंक में? तो मैं वो ब्रीफ अप करते हैं कि लिसन बाय द वे कपल ऑफ रूल्स कि अगर कोई शार्क तुम्हें ऑफर दे ये नहीं कि एकदम से यस बोल दो.
Don't be an
सभी offers
asshole.
सुनो.
Don't be cocky.
Yeah, don't be an asshole, don't be cocky. रूल्स होते हैं.
Don't be yourself.
एक रूल होता है कि तुम्हारे पास the reason why we used to have a drink before Shark Tank because of
No,
this.
because everything happened so quickly कि आप first it was 4 crore for 4% equity.
I'll tell you.
Everything
Okay.
was done.
Okay, if you really want to know, okay, I'll tell you. See, our entire idea was they were like, you have a 240 CR valuation, this, that. Now, going into the tank, we knew 70% of the deals don't go through. But our thing was, see, if we make a deal, we're gonna honor our word because that's the kind of people we are. This is very simple. That's why even when they said no valuations like this, that we said, listen, just trust us. We're here to make a deal at a fair valuation because we are going to honor that deal outside the tank as well. That is why we're here to make a deal, and that's what we told them straight up. कि, you know, we're not one of those कि बाहर जाके बोल देंगे now sales are 3x, you give us 3x valuation, which a lot of companies have done, and the deal doesn't go through. So we told them that straight up. Whatever we agree on, it's like a gentleman's promise. We had 100 crore valuation from everyone. Kunal Bahl 2 crores 2%, Ritesh 1 crore 1%, Aman also 1 crore 1%. And then Akshay said a very valid point कि आप सब साथ आ जाओ. So I was like, perfect. You have a deal, Kunal. We did the opposite. Like they are not going to confirm, we're going to confirm. MBA वो होता है teaching. Like you have a deal, Ritesh, you have a deal. And we paused. I'm like, Aman, you have a deal. I'm like, थोड़ा dramatics create करते हैं. And we did that. And वो दिखाया भी Vinita's reaction. She's like, oh, what did they do? Blah blah. And we closed 4 crores for 4%, clean. Because that's the deal they offered. We accepted.
Very smooth, yeah.
Accepted, khatam. And Kunal started to get up from the chair and come to shake hands because that's the deal. Suddenly, Aman caught up. He's like, no. अभी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं 3 शाख की अपनी वैल्यू होती है
That was the stupidest thing to say. मतलब I mean तीनों एक साथ आ रहे तो why is
no but and then you've offered an individual deal, we're taking individual deals. And he got him, he's like no अब discuss कर लेते हैं ना. Looked at Akshay, I said that's not very cool, to be very honest to you.
And then when they were talking, they covered their mics and everything also.
That's also
Could you hear what they were saying?
No, not at all.
So it was all real.
And we're standing there and they're all talking. Okay, and this they didn't air. So they all went to the side to talk. And Namita, the entire time, she's like, I'll make a deal at 120 crores. I'll reduce the royalty to 1%.
After her life.
Yeah, she's like, chuck them out because they're doing this. Make a deal with me right now. And at this moment, when they were doing this, I was like, okay, now honestly, I didn't want a royalty deal with Namita. But I was like, how do I make an impression in their head, the three, that we can take like Namita's deal as well. So now I'm talking to Akshay, I'm like, let's take Namita's deal. And Akshay also knows what I'm doing at this point. Akshay is like, no, bro, royalty needs to be removed because we know they can hear. So he's like, no royalty. And we're doing this back and forth between us. We know what we're doing, the game we're playing. Like, let's take Namita's deal just to pressurize them so they know that we can very well take Namita's deal if they go too hard. And then they came back. And then they're like at an 80 crore valuation. Right, and we haven't stopped our discussion now. So I'm like, sun bro, Namita ki deal le lete hain. At least we'll take a deal. We'll definitely get aired. And the idea of Air Ho Jayenge was, they all absolutely love the product. Like if you see the entire pitch, they don't have one bad thing to say about Culture Circle, the brand, product, our investors, the team, us, anything. Right? They were like, you've made a beautiful product. It's gonna fly. So we're like, listen, we have gotten like our TV validation as well. Everyone's gonna watch this. Let's take a deal so that we can make sure we get aired. And I said, air ho jayenge, bhai, le lete hain. And the intention was that only, that we'll actually honor that deal. And suddenly, Vinita was like, oh, ye kya bol diya aapne? And then Aman goes like, mujhe pata tha. I swear when Aman is doing this, because of his reaction, the way he stood up and does this, and I'm like, my first reaction was, I laughed. I'm like, what is happening, wait?
Aman saw that chance and backed out because you could clearly see we did not.
See, he was a third preference.
He was a third preference.
On the panel, it was Kunal, then Ritesh, then Aman. Because when this entire back and forth was happening, we were constantly down to Kunal, is your original offer at 100 crores valid? And Ritesh, is your original offer at 100 crores valid? We weren't asking Aman because they were our top two priorities. So that's like the...
When you got to know your 5 panelists, तब सोचा था कि काश ये वाला बंदा
होता. Kunal was number 1 because he's run a marketplace. And the second
Kunal, Ritesh were already there. I'm talking about other sharks.
Nahi yaar, I'll be very honest. See, we need help with 2 things in terms of guidance. Okay? See, money is money. Money has no color. कहाँ से भी आया है? Right? That's immaterial. We guided on 2 things. Number 1 is we needed to run like the basics of a marketplace and how to scale it. One person has done that. That's Kunal. The other thing we need help with is we're going global. That Ritesh has done quite well. brand. Aman's expertise is like creating a community, creating a brand. But I think that we've learned over the past year. Like look at our Instagram.
Like, Aman is good with D2C, but I
Correct.
think
But we're not a D2C brand.
like we reach a stage where we don't
not
need
a
that
D2C.
anymore. शुरू में helpful होता, but Kunal with Snapdeal plus Unicommerce also. If you know about Unicommerce, Unicommerce is purely a what do you call it? Seller side platform,
Seller-side
which you're building for SourceX. So Kunal makes the most sense.
So we knew these two we want to get. Somehow it panned out that these two only like eventually ended.
had nothing to do with it at all. Somehow it panned
हाँ
out.
because I was also reading the subtitles जो episode में थे ना उसमें यही था कि यार 0.1 रॉयल्टी बोल देते हैं
हाँ, because
I
correct.
was thinking अमन का ये रिएक्शन आया क्यों मतलब
Correct. Because he was like no royalty. मैं 0.1% दे देते हैं यार, एयर हो जाएंगे.
0.1% will be on NMV, यार.
Yeah.
That's nothing.
No, it was on revenue, our only commission, not even on gross.
no she said NMV.
NMV.
First one
She
was
said NMV, then she said gross revenue, the lower number. ये हुआ था, so we like ठीक है यार, दे देंगे 7 लाख.
because I was also like was not expecting कि अमन का वो reaction क्योंकि what you said
It wasn't that big of a deal. Like, ठीक है. So I'll tell you another thing. वहाँ पे every shark has also come for their own marketing, right? See, they are spending 3 days a week there, apart from their regular business. क्यों कर रहे हैं? And they're giving away money. They don't get paid for it, right? They don't get paid for Shark Tank. They're giving away money. Why are they doing it? It's to market their brand, no? And the way to market their brand is you need screen time. Like, for example, अब Amit Jain, right? I think one of the most genuine, मतलब ऐसे cuddly sharks, ऐसे मतलब cuddle कर दो भाई.
Q2 कर ली ये क्या चल रहा है भाई
So like Amit Jain is one of like sweetheart sharks, right? But he spoke less. He didn't get a lot of screen time when he was in Shark Tank. So his brand really didn't blow up like Kar Dekho, right? But like Aman gets a lot of screen time, Vinita gets
Everyone is
they're blown up because of Shark Tank because you get a lot of screen time. So वो एक अलग dynamics चल रहा था उधर of getting screen time, and some of them know how to get screen time. You corner the pitcher in a particular way. And you ask difficult questions, then कि वो क्या होता है वो टीवी शो है ना, you ask a difficult question, फिर पिक्चर ऐसे हाथ उंगली को चलाएगा, nervous होगा, फिर सोनी उधर होगा.
founders, यार. अभी
And it's not, and it's fair. That's my point. कि that is fair.
because they're testing out the entrepreneur also
Correct. It's okay. Yeah, you're evaluating an entrepreneur. How does he deal under pressure? It's all fair. You should not get offended by the fact कि entrepreneur भी फिर marketing के लिए आ सकता है.
because idea कितना भी अच्छा होगा if entrepreneur is not capable तो
yeah. Everyone is optimizing for the screen time क्योंकि 4 साल से ये practice करके बैठे हैं और क्योंकि कॉर्पोरेट नेचर को डील नहीं मिली थी. Everyone said कि you're a great content creator but the worst entrepreneur and his deal went viral और तो sue हो सकता है.
he said ना कि I have purchased from you so did
Yeah.
you know that
No, we didn't know.
अच्छा
We didn't know. Like, it was a surprise to us as well. He said I was looking for a particular sneaker. And then I came across your website because you guys were selling it at like a better price. And I saw your website. I love the UI UX. So it was that.
So before we went into the tank, no, we were actually a little bit very careful because हमें थोड़ा लग रहा था what if they say something bad about the product.
yeah.
Because we knew we were asking for 240 crores and it has negative connotations attached to it. But the moment Anavan said,
A lot of people told us don't ask for such a high valuation because the moment you ask for a high valuation,
you will have backlash.
you get a lot of backlash. But they could say nothing bad about the product or the brand.
And
so
the fact is, you were about to ask for 300.
yeah.
This was 240 was, by the way, 5 minutes before we went inside the pitch.
correct.
Where we just brainstorming like,
We like, let's give them a very fair number that they
we
agreed.
were going for 300.
Otherwise, 300 was what I wanted to pitch, but we said let's give them a very fair number that
no but I think the problem that Shark saw was कि इतने कम टाइम में 80 करोड़ से 240 करोड़ कैसे आ रहा है
They said it कि आपने 4 months into the company, like 4 months into operations, you just got graduated, and next month you raised.
So what? इतने कम time में 0 से 80 भी तो हुआ है.
Yeah, correct. So that was
100%
our
thing.
point was कि it's not about the time, it's about our numbers, and they sort of backed that up.
So Aman getting out of the deal was like what you wanted.
Correct.
But no, wait. Him getting out of the deal was not what we wanted.
Did I phrase it incorrectly?
No, I was just surprised about how.
If I get
you're
a...
running 15 minutes behind in the conversation. He was a third preference.
He was a third preference.
But this you never said before.
We did. You're not even paying attention.
I am.
So between
Moving on.
Kunal, Ritesh, and Aman,
Yeah.
Aman was our third preference.
Yeah, basically it was best case scenario, like that he got out because you wanted that.
A better case scenario here.
Yeah.
The thing is, we wanted them, no? Individual deals are easy, but the moment they came in a 3 shark deal, वो गंदी थी.
Oh, hypothetically, if after saying that he had not backed out, would you have still taken the deal?
No, we would have broken it off.
You would have got him
क्योंकि a
out.
3 shark deal was bad for us, no? उन्होंने 4% से 3 sharks came together and 5% कर लिया. That we would have guaranteed not taken because the
Right.
valuation matched the existing investors.
Were you feeling sidelined during the pitch?
No, why would I? If Culture Circle is a Lambo, and if I have a good driver, why would I stop him? Think about it this way. So basically, in our pitch, it was 1 hour 45 minutes, 2 hours roughly. So they cut it down into a lot of back and forth, क्योंकि बहुत सारा content था. Like it was too much in depth of business. So इसलिए लगा काफी fast back and forth हो रहा है. But 1 hour 45, 2 hours की minimum pitch थी.
What? 2 hours की pitch?
2 hours.
Is
Usually ना pitches होती हैं 1 घंटे की. तो सोनी लाइव टीम उसको 15 मिनट कट डाउन करके बनाती है. हमारी पौने 2 घंटे चली minimum. And like there was a point where Devansh was obviously speaking. मैं left में देखा एक watch थी. And I saw 1 hour 15 minutes there. And I was like, damn. And by the way, we missed our Dua Lipa concert because of this.
Holy shit, that's
We had
sad.
booked and our friends had come over from Delhi because we were confident कि Saturday हमारा pitch है 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m खत्म हो जाएगा. 8 p.m we'll head there.
Perfect celebration.
Perfect celebration होगी because it went so long. हमारा 9:30 खत्म हुआ है. जो दिवांश ने तो acting नहीं करता कि I have fever, please let me go. We still had to wait. We missed our Dua Lipa. That was the problem.
So 2 hours you're just standing there pitching.
Yeah.
That's great.
2 hours we have to stand there and everybody else is sitting and हमें बस back and forth answers देने होते हैं.
Some people recognize that they were like, oh, like Shark Tank, this, that. Okay, that happens. But whenever we're going out together, everyone is just like, oh, yeah, हाँ, ये तो वही लौंडे हैं. Like everyone's like, oh, these are those guys.
Yeah. I think we went out to opened up twice or thrice now.
Yeah, multiple places, yeah.
And like we've had at least 30-35 people come out over to us.
And everyone's super sweet about it.
Strangers coming up to you.
Strangers and everyone like people are like selfies like bro like they're like can we get a picture I'm like bro हम celebrity नहीं है of course bhai and we're like chill
How cute.
yeah very sweet
Come us, oh, we saw your episode or we saw your reel, good fun stuff.
half the people come to me like आज कौन से जूते पहने I'm like not those ones bro don't worry
जूते निकाल अपने जूते दे.
If Devansh was kidnapped, he'd be thrown out after his
you leave but like on a business front like things just skyrocketed like we wouldn't believe we were like number 7 app in India for like 3-4 days straight and it's like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and then us and we're like shit that's insane.
Yeah. So that was our legacy. Not even Meesho, man. This was Amazon, Flipkart,
Zepto.
Zepto, Blinkit, ये सब थी.
Yeah.
These are legacy, like big ass companies.
We got those shoes basically for that episode, right? Like otherwise,
Did you buy them or?
we bought them because we were like otherwise मैं नहीं लेता यार life में से 10 लाख के जूते. Even though you guys should and you can get on Culture Circle, but we had our own music, like a rap hip hop song. Like Culture Circle anthem, we got produced specifically for Shark Tank. 2 very talented artists, Paro, Sanat and Satvik, shout out, and they made it for us just in time. And we shot a random ass music video for that song.
I've seen it. To be honest.
Shit is embarrassing. And we're there, right? And we just really want the song to be performed because we wanted the artists also to get their due and like do that. And like, okay, we'll perform, but we can't play the video. If you guys can like groove and dance to it, we're gonna do it. We're like, okay, this is one day before the actual shoot. Then they give us a choreographer who's like coming, teach us guys groove, this, that. And we were trying our best. We were grooving, proper moves, Culture Circle, yeah, मेरा सब कुछ भी चल रहा है. Like we're all grooving, right? And
That was so bad.
Yeah.
That was so bad.
young, rich and handsome, young, rich and यही
I
तो
still
है
remember
anthem.
seeing that video. of
So
us.
after that, you know.
Do you have that footage?
And wait, no,
I
I'll tell you the
think we
best
do.
part.
I
We
think
are
we do.
super confident कि भाई हम तो kill कर रहे हैं. अब तो हमें choreographer भी मिल गया. We'll be like sensations, bro. National team will go dance on our song. It's gonna be a thing. Then the pitch team is like,
So bad.
come and perform in front of us. We're like, okay, we'll perform. So they played the
And
song
still,
on
we,
me.
by the way, at this point, we're very confident.
We're super confident.
हम ही तो है.
हम नहीं तो और कौन? वो था
It is us, यार.
If not us, then who?
दो 26 साल के लॉन्डे
We are
ढाई
it.
मांग रहे.
तो हमने
We are the
परफॉर्म
ones,
किया.
यार.
हमने परफॉर्म किया full उनके सामने full.
Sharks के सामने.
No, the entire pitch Sony
Oh,
team.
okay,
Sony team.
okay.
Sony team ने हमें देखा. They like guys सोच लो एक बार. ठीक है, बोले क्या हुआ सही तो है, सोच लो एक बार, चलो एक काम करते हैं, मैं आपकी वीडियो बनाती हूँ एक बार, सेंड फॉर अप्रूवल, आप देख लो, ठीक है. बोले ठीक है, डन. अगेन दे प्लेड द सॉन्ग फ्रॉम द टॉप. हमने फिर से फुल स्टेप्स
And I
किए.
think this time it was better.
Better, it was
जब
better.
video बन रही थी, we did it better.
Better, like 20% more energy, like ऐसे फट रहे हैं, like bro, fuck, we're the next superstars of this country. Kill कर दिया.
धर्मेश, हम धर्मेश sir.
हाँ, किल कर दिया मैंने नेक्स्ट. अबे तेरा सुपरस्टार भी धर्मेश.
ऋतिक रोशन, प्रभुदेवा, इतने.
अबे इसके सपने भी धर्मेश सर पे एंड हो जाते हैं bro. Like, what is wrong with you? And they showed us the video, and it was pathetic. Like pathetic is an understatement. भाई मेरे हाथ पैर कुछ कर रहे हैं, इसके हाथ पैर कुछ कर रहे हैं. It was like two penguins randomly dancing.
No, it was so weird. I am surprised they even let us practice.
Yeah.
It was so weird.
Something is happening.
कैसे कर रहे दिया उन्होंने ये?
Choreographer is giving the money. लो मुझसे पैसे लो, मुझे छोड़ दो.
I'll tell you the best part. We watched it. It was clear as day that this shit cannot be on national television. We'll be national memes and national jokes.
So I think now we should play a game. Okay. So the game is flop tank. Okay. So basically
Flop tank, okay.
flop tank. Okay. We'll basically pitch products to you. Okay. And you have to tell कि आप इसमें invest करोगे या नहीं करोगे.
ठीक है.
ठीक. First one is rent a crowd service.
What is a rent a crowd service?
So basically, if you are doing a show, stand-up comedy show, ठीक है, for example, ठीक है, you pay me money and I'll get a crowd for you. Rent a crowd.
No, wait. Is it like paid crowd या फिर crowd organic है?
Paid crowd.
I would totally invest in it.
No,
And I would,
out.
I would sell it to all the political parties that exist in our country.
I think there are only 3 political parties who exist because of this in the country.
Political parties need people to come to their seminars.
Events.
Yeah, that's what.
It's the Sony team versus the political parties deciding who's gonna sue first. And then comes just छोटा मोटा अमन की legal team.
No, but I would.
They are also bidding. नहीं, इतने पैसे
सब पैसे लगा रहे हैं. नहीं, हमारा पहला legal lawsuit होगा.
lawsuit की valuation 240
तो यही तो कुछ लोग करते हैं जो शार्क टैंक पे आए थे. Beep brand which we can't speak of.
अब तो बोल ही दो.
क्या नहीं यार नहीं. They are good friends.
Next one. This was Sanjana's idea.
ये पक्का गंदा आइडिया होगा. क्योंकि अरब said कि next one, but ये संजना का आइडिया था.
Feed pics business.
What?
Feed pics.
What is a feed pics business?
Selling feed pics.
Feed as in breastfeeding.
Feed pics. Feed. No. So I've had like so many friends, like female friends. Who no, because like I'm like people don't ask for guys like feed pics. honestly.
He has had female
So I've had like
friends.
so many female friends, like then they'd get random DMs saying, "I pay you 200 rupees.
Yeah.
Just send me a picture."
200
of your feet."
rupees for a feet picture? It starts at like $2,000.
How?
You would know.
Experience.
I am getting the DM.
Guys.
Yeah, all the building I used to live at in Singapore. So he texted me literally the name of that street. He's like, I just saw you at Bencoolen Street. And like, I know that you live in this building. I see you all the time. And I just really want you to send me a feet
No,
picture.
I think he didn't see you. He saw your feet.
What?
Guys,
And he was
There
literally
are actually
so
guys in your
scary.
DMs.
Who want my feet pictures who apparently know where I live.
दिखाना.
क्या दिखाना?
feet or like
Feed. DM नहीं यार.
Akshay is one of those guys.
No, I'm not. I'm actually wondering.
You know, but you know what men have.
But bro, I'll tell you what.
So there's a
Sanjana so uncultured, she's wearing this shit to the Culture Circle office. No, but I have a nice name for the service. Only feet. Only feet.
That's been done.
Seriously?
Yeah.
OnlyFeet exists?
Yeah. Also,
Let me sign up.
Said the Singapore guy.
But all men have foot fetishes.
No.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's a scientific fact. Like the part in a male brain responsible for like sexual arousal and the part responsible for like your foot area.
She's not wrong. You know, it's onlyfeet.fr.
Even footology is there.
Only feet. Why do you know so much about this?
I've researched this.
Have you tried to sell your feet?
I'm not trying.
After culture, part-time job,
My full-time job is only feet.
main hustle.
It's not FR, that's France. Weird. European people are into that shit.
For real.
No, that's France.
Yeah.
That's France. That is messed up. Next idea.
Yeah.
I want to see the
Feet.
later. Feet. It's,
Even deny.
huh? No, I'm just actually very curious.
All men are into feet. Do you not know
No.
this? It's a
Sanjana,
fact.
show your feet for the camera.
Not for
Right.
For free, not for.
Can I show my feet? No, not for me. I can show my feet for free.
Highest bidder wins. 240 crore valuation.
Guys, bid in the comments.
No, wait, exactly. Bid in our DMs, please. Not in the comments. Stay away from our fucking comment section. That's very weird. Wow.
This can't be the first time you're hearing about this. All
No,
men-
I've heard honestly once the same incident he talked about, but I thought that was a one-off incident.
No, it's very common.
I did not realize.
Do guys not talk to each other? All men have foot fetish.
No.
It's a thing.
No.
And वो 18 साल का है यार.
Sorry.
क्या सिखा रहे हो तुम
Sorry,
उसको?
sorry.
I think like the people who have like a foot fetish, I'm pretty sure develops by the time they're like 18, 19. So he would know if he has one.
No, I don't think all men have foot fetish.
No, that's not.
It's a very common.
It might be prevalent now.
You know, it's so weird. You know what? Fetish. Like I have like a forehead fetish. That's so like unconventional.
Forehead.
Forehead.
Forehead kisses.
Yeah, like,
हम वो तो
I love like.
That's
That
called
is-
affection.
हाँ भाई fetish नहीं बोलते उसको.
You know what a fetish is?
Yeah, no, but it's also like weirdly sexual in a non-weird way.
So you just found an erogenous zone.
Correct.
We did not need that information, bro.
Yeah.
Like, not at all.
To give forehead kisses or
Give.
हाँ वही.
Guys, nobody wants to know.
अरे तो
Nobody cares.
you
about
can talk about your feet.
I didn't.
You can talk about selling your feet.
Selling your feet photos.
So I think this will be the last business idea. So this is predictive nostalgia.
That's what Aman said after our pitch.
So predictive nostalgia services. So it is basically we'll create experiences for you which you will experience in a later stage of life.
Okay.
But we'll recreate that particular scene.
पहले decide कर ले. Wait.
This nostalgia is something that happened in the past.
Yeah.
So this is future nostalgia?
Yeah. So it is like
Deja
So you basically want to feel having sex with your wife right now.
Make this only think about one
Okay,
thing.
wow.
He's going through puberty.
You're not going
And you could have said girlfriend. I love how you said wife.
गर्लफ्रेंड उसकी अभी भी हो सकती है.
Sweet that he said wife.
Yeah, no, Akshay is saving himself for marriage.
Oh yeah?
Cute.
पागल हो गए हो क्या कुछ भी?
Oh, I think it's cool to save yourself.
Yeah, Akshay's a cute little
It's not
virgin
cute,
boy.
cool.
No, it's very cool. I want all women to save themselves for marriages, honestly.
But men should do the same. Why?
Yeah, I
double
agree.
standards?
I agree.
This is very
I
off.
feel like you guys are making fun of this, but it's actually a very.
No,
No, it's a
very-
good thing if somebody is saving themselves for marriage.
It's very
I'm
much.
just saying-
Just not Akshay.
Oh,
I'm
she is
just
a
saying-
one-woman man at a time. Dichotomy.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
He's going to throw the big words like Devansh did in our Shark Tank pitch. Hard pass.
Yeah.
You don't have any business idea right now?
the foot one was mine.
Which one was yours?
The feet are mine. Business उसका है पैर तो मेरे.
And I feel this feet pics business is like very scalable, and I feel
How is this scalable?
like
Are you gonna?
How would you differentiate yourself from other people?
like you know how
I mean, all feet look 80% the same.
Yeah.
Only. I'm like,
no, trust me, ask the men who have feet.
chalo guys, dikhao.
No, like eventually I start like how you know you did like Culture Circle did e-commerce
hyping
for
your-
all the brands. So I start a platform for all the feet, and then men who want the feet can come there.
God.
Then we diversify like some in real life in-person services.
Sanjana, that is called porn. That is not called e-commerce. That is called porn. Oh God. I can't believe we're just discussing porn.
I'm not talking about
This is
porn.
not in the culture episode, Ruth. This is our the culture episode. God.
Cultured.
तुम only
Yeah,
feet पे
नहीं,
जाओ.
वो तो feet pics, you're calling feet pics only porn.
Yeah, feet pics is technically
Yeah,
halfway
it's
there.
diversified.
Feet pics
Could be considered.
halfway there porn only.
Another very scalable, very profitable industry.
What porn?
Yeah.
Porn is
Yeah.
the most profitable industry in this world.
The most?
Yeah. It's
I
porn,
should use all my filmmaking
porn,
skills
gaming,
to good
and
use.
then everything else.
Then
It's a fact. Porn, gaming, and then everything else.
I think I should.
No, Sanjana.
Production.
She's talking about gaming, guys. She's talking about gaming.
I'm talking about
She
production.
wants
No.
to be a gamer, yeah.
Your music with your track, and then
Let's play the track.
Okay,
right
yeah,
now,
yeah. So, guys, we're gonna end this video with our music video.
Yeah.
You've seen it?
do the moves. Do the moves.
The penguin moves or the what?
The best ones you have.
Do it for your hopes, do it for your dreams, do it for the culture, we do it for our circle, do it for your hopes, do it for your dreams, do it for the culture, we do it for our circle. Watch my grip, watch my style, watch how we flying high. It's a show, what design, bigger, better all the time.
मेहनत से ना हम डरे बने सबसे बड़े Yeah we always pulling specials running nice in our wings
All this weight, all the hype, all you need to look fly, set the tone, match our vibe, gang signs with my tribe.
नई ड्रिप वही क्लास वर्ल्ड वाइड चले आज सबसे अलग सबसे खास तभी ग्लोबल तेरे यार So
Do it for your hopes, do it for your dreams, do it for the culture, we do it for our circle, do it for your hopes, do it for your dreams, do it for the culture, we do it for our circle.